This is an old file. I've cut the end of it off, and this was I already heated up and put it in vermiculite to anneal it, and now I'm going to start forging it. Side of my beam, thin this out a little. Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown Forging On. It's nice out in the shop today. It's probably 60 degrees. Got the doors open, shorts on. Nice day. Had this old piece of a file, and it was actually, the end of it was actually cut off. So it was only about so long. And I had already heated it up a long time ago. I'd heated up several files I had in rasps and put them in a vermiculite bucket. And you can use wood ash, you can use this all kind of things. You can put them in a stove that's cooling down. As long as it cools down slowly and anneals. Normalizing, you pretty much just bring it out, let it cool in the air, put it back, do that 2 or 3 times to de-stress a little. If you want to get it really soft as you can, you want to slowly cool down. And so you get up red hot and you get this vermiculite, which I'll put some links below, some places to get it. I think I got mine at Lowe's or Home Depot in the garden section. That was, of course, in the springtime because it's in the gardening stuff. And they're small, they're real light bags, and they're small, $3 or $4. You probably, if you got like a 5-gallon bucket like I do, I use a metal bucket. Used to use a plastic bucket until I shoved in one of these things one time and shoved it right into the side, burned a hole through the plastic bucket. If you got a metal bucket, actually I use a metal popcorn tin I got from work. They had brought in all this pre-made popcorn for a party, and I got like 3 or 4 of those. They're thin, but they're fine for just holding light vermiculite because stuff is featherweight stuff. Anyway, put it in there, let it sit overnight, took it out. So I've had it sitting on the shelf, and I thought, let me do something with it. So I'm starting to make a knife. I got to get a file guide so I can whoops, more like this. I can get my files right. I'm gonna get one of those ordered, and then I'll continue working on this as a knife. Haven't hardened it or anything. All I've done is shaped it, and I still got some holes to drill or punch through here for pins. Just a simple little knife out of a file, but I cut the end of it off. Had that little tab, and I'm going to end up making something out of that. I'll probably end up making a flint striker, a fire starter kind of a deal, and so I can use it striking against flint, and it has some char paper in that. So I'll probably use that and take that little end piece and make another video about making that, or maybe that'll probably come out before this one does, because I got a long ways to go on this. So you may have already seen that one. Anyway, if it is, I'll put a link up here to where it is. So anyway, that's all for this one, and I'll probably come back later on. I decided to show this forging out real quick, just a short video, and then I'll come up with another video when I get my file guide in, and I'll dress this up and use my belt grinder and get this all shaped and prettied up, and put some scales on it and make a little, work around the farm utility knife. I don't know. Maybe I'll give it away, sell it. I'm not much of a knife maker, so I'm just trying to learn through using stuff I have around here. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.